Our fair Helen bleeds as St. Lucians cry out for an end to the recent increase in rapes and violence against women across the nation. This rise in cruel acts, which have now seemed to become a norm, surfaced in late October 2015 and has now sunk fear into the lives of our women. Claire Shonte believes that these acts destroy the inner soul of an individual and may have significant repercussions such as depression and even suicide.
This is an invasion of a lady's privacy. Nobody should invade your privacy like that. You should give the shots. That's how I see it. A lady should give the shots, and if she says no, then no is no. But to invade somebody's privacy, it's like you're going into the inner soul and you're taking something out which you did not put in. So it is really depressing.
With this upsurge in rape incidents, Prime Minister Dr. Kenny Anthony says that there are serial rapists on the loose. Dr. Kenny Anthony has been quoted by saying that it is true that there have been many incidents of rape in the past, many of which have never been reported. But why is it that some men have suddenly felt emboldened to commit this crime in recent times? It is clear that strong laws with stiff penalties are not enough. We have to look for other solutions, he continued. In addition, Dr. Anthony explains that he is dedicated to ensuring the Royal St. Lucia Police Force introduces a rape unit and has considered the introduction of a sex offenders list. He explained that there needs to be a review of how rape victims give evidence in court. Claire Shonte also believes that persons who rape or abuse women many times do so out of spite, most cases for not getting attention from their victims.
It is something which causes them. It's a problem they have. Anybody who is normal is not going to think of invading somebody else's privacy. So it is a problem that the person is experiencing. Maybe the person is going through some difficult time and they're thinking that the only way out is to let loose. And that's the only way they can let loose. Maybe have them seek counseling. Have a counselor visit them. If they are incarcerated, have a counselor visit them to find out what really caused it. Because you can never tell. If that problem is not dealt with, when a person comes out, they might just take it as, okay, it's normal. I did that before, so I went to jail. I can do it again, and it becomes like a habit, becomes normal. So if the problem is met, if the problem is dealt with, then I think that person, things are going to change for that individual. So what I think they should do is to just try the person, but the most important thing is to seek counseling.
Anisha Fanis, Jivity News.